to the channel. I'm so excited. I just got my IPSY ICON box delivered right now, fresh out the mail. So yeah guys, if you guys want to know what I got on my IPSY ICON box, then just go ahead and keep on watching. And of course, if you guys are new, please don't forget to subscribe down below and hit that notification bell so you'll be a part of my YouTube family. And let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and break into the box. It looks like mine has like 3 seals. The box looks a little beat up down here, but hopefully everything survived. So let's go ahead and break into it. Like, where do I even cut? Okay, let's go this way and start cutting into our box. I'm so excited for this box because this month is a icon month and I really look forward to like some very good products. Hopefully they don't leave me down. All right guys, so here is the box. Here are the goods. Let's just go ahead and start pulling out. All right guys, so we're gonna go ahead and start off with this one. Actually, I think I purchased this one. Yes, because I really wanted this toner. So this one was one of my add-ons. So this is the MURAD Environmental Shield Essential Vitamin C Toner. And I really wanted to try this one out. I'm almost done with the current toner that I am using, which is the ordinary one. And it really helps with my texture. So I wanted to try this one from MURAD because it's a really great brand. And it was a need. It was a need, not a want. All right, so that one was one of my add-ons. Let's go ahead and start pulling things here and make this video super snappy. All right, so up next I have this little box. It's from Icon. It is a tint and texture brow perfecting gel. Yes, this was also a need. I think this one was one of my choice items. Let me see if I could break into this little box and let's see and try it out really quick. So I have been like fluffing out my eyebrows. I'm doing like that natural brow that's, you know, the trend right now. How cute is this packaging from Icon? And I have a little brow gel that I am using and I wanted to try a different one. And this one, oh, okay, so this is what the one looks like. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be scented like that. Maybe it is, because it is pretty easy to apply. The one is very tiny, like super tiny, like very small, but I already do have brow gel on, so my eyebrows are kind of like stiff. But I'm definitely excited about this product and I hope that it works out for me. So we got a little brow gel. All right, then we got this little box right here, and this is from VOLITION. I'm not sure, I probably butchered the shit out of this, but this is like a cream. It has vitamin C and it's vegan, and it also does have collagen. Beauty is what you make of it. That is right. Okay, so I'm thinking this is just like a moisturizer. I've never heard of this brand, but I'm always down to trying a new moisturizer. So, gonna go into my little skincare drawer. We also do have this beautiful little pink box, and it has, I like this. It has the shrink wrap all around it, so I'm gonna need my scissors for this. But this is coming from a TOYFACTORY, and okay, let's cut into it. It's coming from TOYFACTORY. Oh yeah, I remember this item now. Okay, I did choose this item. This one was one of my choice items. And this is a mineral niacinamide translucent powder. I'm excited. I hope it's a good powder. I'm always down to trying new. I'm about to break this little box. I can't find the ends of it. I can't find anything. Can't find how to open this. Okay, I'm always down to try new translucent powders because I definitely do use them and I set my entire face with them. So yeah, this one's a really cute one. I love the pink. I love the little frosted bottle that it comes with. It does have niacinamide on it. So let me see. I want to see the texture of it. I want to see how finely milled it is. Okay guys, so I got the sister, the little cover out. This is what it looks like. It has this really nice, soft texture to it. It's very, very like silky like. So I hope that it helps like blur out my pores. It has a hint of a scent, but nothing weird. I really like that. It feels like super, super finely milled. So I can't wait to try out this setting powder. I'm really excited about it. So this was my next product from my icon box. So far, I'm liking my box so far. I feel like it's good. We got 2 makeup products and 1 skincare product, I would say. Up next, we got this little bottle here. This is from Dr. B Lab. This is a foaming face cleanser. Actually, all out of my cleanser, and I do need a new one. So I'm gonna throw this in my shower. I was using my Innisfree cleanser. It's like the green tea collection, and I really liked it. So I just threw out my bottle, and I do need a new one. So I'm gonna throw this one in the shower. This one was also a need. I'm really pleased with my box so far. Let's see what else we got. Oh yes, I think I chose this item too. This is coming from Huda Beauty, and this is the Legit Lashes. So it's the Major Volume Mascara, and it's a dual-ended mascara. So it's gonna give you that length, that volume, and then it has another side, and it's gonna give you that curl and that length for the bottom eyelashes. I'm excited. I'm so excited for this mascara. I really look forward to my makeup products, but I'm not mad at my skincare products that I'm getting because I needed them. I really needed them. I do need to restock and replenish some of my products, but I haven't made it to Sephora, and I think I'm just gonna do online shopping because that's what's most convenient for me because I have such a busy schedule. But here is a mascara, and this is a well-known brand I'm really excited for. Let's see. Oh, I don't know how I feel about this wand, but I'm always down for some mascara. Okay, so I kind of like this one. I am wearing false lashes, and I was taking a nap, and I was sleeping on this side, so this eyelash is like a little wonky. Oh, it's a little flat. I think I was like laying on it, but I really like this mascara. Look forward to using it, and let's check out the other side of this little wand here. Oh, okay. It looks like this, so it is kind of curved, and this is supposed to give you a length and curl. Okay, I'm gonna definitely be playing with this mascara, and I'm very pleased with this product. Another makeup item. All right, up next we have this from Nars, another beauty product that I actually really love, and I'm familiar with this brand. I love this brand. This is in the shade Dragon Girl. It's a very beautiful shade, and this is the Nars Air Matte Lip Color. I'm pretty familiar with these. These are super long lasting, very durable. I like that they're very lightweight, and you really can't feel it once it dries down. It's like you have nothing on your lips. I remember these. These are really, really pretty. And here's the little one. It has a little slant. And here's a little swatchy of the color that I got. I actually really like this color because it's not like a super bright red. It's more of like a burnt burgundy red, but the holidays are nearly approaching, and I always look forward to like some really nice rich colors for fall time, and even for Christmas this would be a very beautiful color. I love it. I'm so excited for all my makeup products, guys. All right, we also do have this here, and I don't remember what this is, but this is from the brand MAKIAGE, and this is a lip service power play high shine lip glaze. Okay, so this is what it is. I'm assuming this is the color. So it's a lip glaze. Let's check it out. I'm cool with it as long as it's not sticky. I don't like stickiness. Me and stickiness do not get along. Oh my god, this packaging is so beautiful. It feels like it's pretty luxe, like it's very heavy, and this might be a little glass bottle. This is very pretty. I love the packaging. It's sickening, honey. Okay, so here it is. Oh, this is like right up my alley. I I love this. This looks similar to something that I already do have on my list, so we're gonna try it on. Does it smell? Not really. Okay, let's see. Oh, I really like this. This is so pretty. I like it. And the wand is just like a traditional little flat wand. I really like this, guys. This is so pretty. Not me trying out all the products while I am unboxing them. But this is a like. I like it. I love it. I'm excited for it. All right. I think I only have my last product in here. Yes, this is my last product. I believe this was my boost product for this month from my icon box, and this is coming from ELEMIS. It's the Pro-Collagen Marine Cream. This is an anti-wrinkle hydrating cream. So it's gonna give you that hydration. It's gonna give you some dewiness, some rejuvenation if you are a dry person. So it's just gonna help keep your skin hydrated. It's a pretty big box, but let's see how big the product is. That's what I want to know. So let's take it out. Oh, okay, yeah, I love their little packaging. I think I already have this. Do I already have this? Or maybe not. I could have sworn I probably had one of these. Maybe I am tripping. Oh, here it is. No, it's not the same. It's different. I thought it was the same one, but it's not. They are related. They are in the same family, but this one is the boost product. All right, guys, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope that you guys liked it. If you did, please make sure to leave your girl a big thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I hope to see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Adios.